इस्रायल गाजा युद्धाचो गोय ट्युरिजमाक फटको बसू शकता म्हूण TDAG अध्यक्ष सांगता। इस्रायला सावन येवपी पयलो ट्युरिस्ट चार्टर येता म्हूण खंय सांगू नजो। थंयची परिस्थिती पळयल्यार तांकां थंयच्यान भायर सरपाक कठीण।
Israel tourists were killed. So अशें जाता then it gives a more fearful factor and the people may not move out from Israel. And not only from Israel, when the war-like situation erupts any part of the world, overall the tourism people who are traveling have that negative impact on their mind psychologically, not to move around till things cool out. So it will definitely have an impact on tourism. We hope it is a minimal, and charter flights is a little bit time away. It is somewhere, if I'm not mistaken, mid-November. So by mid-November, we hope situation will improve and tourism will go on as the tourist plan, Israel tourists plan to coming into India.
रशिया युक्रेनामदी पेटिल्ल्यान आदी चार्टर्ड फ्लायटी उणी जाल्यात।
चार्टर फ्लाइट वीकली एक असले, वीकली एक आहे। आता या वर्षात दे हॅड प्लॅन once a week flight. So once a week flight should be around anywhere between 250 to 300 tourists per week. Per week. So which is a good number to start with, and if सगळे all good well, it would have been increased also. And they were also Israeli were long. They wanted to have a direct flights into Goa, scheduled flights also into Goa. So if all would have gone, they may have would continued with El Al airline, which used to operate into India. They may wanted to operate into Goa in long term. But this is now we have to wait and watch how things pan out, and we are quite hopeful that things will improve in days to come.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट स्वप्नील तारी।